I am John Francis Fuentes. I'm 27. I'm a reporter of Davao Catholic Herald, and I've been working for Davao Catholic Herald since March 2007. I actually started writing for Davao Catholic Herald as a trainee for the Diocese of Digos. After 2 months of writing for Davao Catholic Herald, I transferred to the Diocese of Digos to be employed there. But things went different, so I came back to Davao and continued training for Davao Catholic Herald until such time that I was employed by November 2007 with I think Father Russell Bantiles as our manager and editor-in-chief. As far as I can remember, before I was born, my parents were already working for the church, particularly in San Pedro Cathedral Parish. Both of my parents were working there, and I was involved then. San Pedro Cathedral was my playground before when I was still a child. Of course, the first challenge as a reporter will be to find your news, or to gather the news and publish it, or publish your news articles. And how would you start gathering and writing the paper or writing the article? Since I started there in 2007, I'm the youngest among them, so my co-workers there in Davao Catholic Herald are my former teachers, or my former teacher, particularly Sir Helix, and the former associate editor Mark Ventura was a teacher before, is a teacher in Holy Cross of Davao College. So the people there are quite familiar to me, and they are no longer strangers when I started working there. For me, Davao Catholic Herald, or working for the Archdiocesan newspaper, is no longer just a mere bread and butter. Davao Catholic Herald, the newsroom is like a second home for me. I've been there for quite some time. Then the people whom I've met, from the people in the GKK to the people in the clergy, I have met several former seminarians who were now ordained priests. Then I saw how they were formed to the priesthood to become future priests, and it's fulfilling for me to see people like that who are also like me, who are also serving the local church of Davao. So working for Davao Catholic Herald is like working in your home, in your own home, because it's the local church of Davao. For Davao Catholic Herald, I'm praying that after all these years, it will still continue to do its work of evangelization through the print media. And now I'm happy that Davao Catholic Herald is also doing social media. Hopefully it will not end there. Hopefully we'll not only reach the people of the local church of Davao, but also the people surrounding this diocese, or the Daritama sub-region, and the entire Philippines, or the entire world. I hope my works, or the works of the people before me, will not go in vain, because we are not working for our own selves, but also for the local church of Davao. I'm John Francis Fuentes, proud to be reporter of Asia's longest running Catholic newspaper, the Davao Catholic Herald.